Buongiorno a tutti!
Good morning everyone and welcome to Tips and Love here in the kitchen of Casal di Pepe. Are you ready for this new adventure? A journey between the Tuscan hill and the Sicilian sea. So, let's the dancing begin!
Giovanni.
Today we are going to prepare a smoky eggplants pasta sauce. The taste of the summer, believe me. But for first we have to check the ingredients we need. First of all, eggplants, of course, chili tomato, pasta, a glass of red wine, Chianti is perfect, pecorino cheese, salt, sugar, oregano, chili, garlic and smoked salt. So let's prepare the recipe together. I love to prepare this recipe. It's really special. It's a treasure all the season, and summer is special because it looks like you are eating eggplants just picked from the vegetable garden with the freshness of mint, the pleasure of a glass of wine and sweet chili tomato. But it's also special in winter because if you don't have a way to prepare in a barbecue or in a brazier, you can prepare it in a fireplace or just in the oven. But finally, the result is that it brings you back the taste of the summer. Believe me, this recipe, all the lights of the summer, it's a perfect meeting between the art of Sicily and the breath of Tuscan wood. Giovanni already the oven, and now we have to prepare for first the eggplants. We need the aluminum foil and we need to wrap the aubergine. Summer, if you have the chance to use the barbecue, you can put it directly on the fire, or in winter time you can do the same in the fireplace. But now we don't have the fire, we don't have the barbecue, and we will prepare the recipe using the oven. Okay, let it cook in the oven until it's so soft, because we have to use the art of the aubergine. Of course, now we will need for the aubergine around 40-45 minutes to be ready, but now we don't have enough time, and we already prepare the aubergine. Be careful because I need to be careful because it's so really wow, it's perfect. Take a look inside just to have the idea. Now we have to cut it. You can use also a spoon because it's really soft, and we will use it, the inside part, the art of the aubergine, to prepare a eggplant pesto. It's a kind of pesto with the garlic, mint and the soft aubergine. Now, while I'm washing the tomato, Giovanni is going to prepare the sauce in the mixer. A chops of garlic, a generous quantity of fresh mint. I already washed it. I love to use the smoked salt in winter when I don't have the chance to use the barbecue, or when I'm not using the fireplace, because it gives to the eggplants the smoky tasty. But it's okay also to use the normal salt, and at the end olive oil. And now to the mixer, Giovanni.
Yeah.
Brown the garlic in extra virgin olive oil. When it's ready, remove it and here the chili tomato. Let it cook just for 1 minute. So, a spoon of sugar. Yes, sugar. It's what my grandpa always did because it's good to balance the acidity of the tomato. In winter, when you buy a normal tomato in the supermarket, you need a bit more. But in summer, when it's the right season, we have the chili tomato from the vegetable garden, so sweet it's necessary just 1 spoon, a tiny one, a teaspoon. Now, oregano and on high flame, red wine will mix the sauce with the special color. Now we have just to wait until they are cooked. For first, we will use the mixer again, just 1 or 2 spoons of the tomato, just a bit. We will mix the tomato with the aubergine again. We'll mix the salt really creamy. Mix together. Now we are ready to cook the pasta. That's just a tip. To avoid that water go outside, just put a bit of oil around. And now, like that also, a bit of oil will go inside the water, and it's good because like that the pasta will not stick together. Do you know what does it mean? Al dente? It means that you have to cook at minimum 3 minutes less compared to the time that you read on the pasta package. Otherwise, it's not an Italian dish. When you saute the pasta, use always a bit of pasta water. Like that, the sauce will be so velvety. And now, with the fire off, the last chops of mint, fresh mint. Like that, they will release all the flavor in the pasta. Wow. Voila. Leave some mint always. We cut up a tomato and pecorino cheese, like rain, like that. Okay, pepper and the tomato. Okay, our dish is ready. Now, run to the shop and buy everything you need to prepare this recipe. But keep in your mind, you can buy the most important ingredients. The most important ingredients is always the love you put in it. See you next time at Casal di Pepe. Ciao,
Ciao, ciao!